Today we're going to take the RX2 on a trail run for 30k across the mountains of Wales. Probably going to take us about 5 hours. We'll see if it makes it. More importantly, if I make it. So let's finish this story. After 30 odd kilometers of running through the Welsh mountains, things were pretty tough. The GoPro died, the phone died, and Rob and I were both suffering from the cold. But the key issue is the RX did keep on going, and after 5.5 hours, we found that we had about 78% battery. So for all day use, the RX2 definitely kept its side of the bargain. If you want to know more about the MLID product line, please contact us. Thanks again.